welcome back to my vlog. So today we are here at Humayun Top, me and my friend Abhishek. तो guys यहाँ पे आपको ना एक 40 रुपीज़ की टिकट लेनी पड़ती है और उसके बाद यू कैन एंटर। आगे जो भी होता है विल शो यू। बाय बाय। So guys, we are here at Humayun Top and you can see this is the entrance area. Humayun was basically the second Mughal emperor and this is the entry gate. After getting your ticket you have to cross this area and we'll show you some beautiful Indian architecture. So guys, in the evening it's look more beautiful and you can see the lush green area. This top is basically built of red sand and rocks. Alright. Actually guys, the entry gate is like we have to cross all these gates. So this is something very different from Purana Killa or Red Fort because you can see this entry point is very long. You have to cross so many gates before entering in Humayun Top. Just look at this beauty. So many travelers here. So this is the second entry point and check the beauty of the mesmerizing Humayun Top, guys. This is unbelievable. Lots of foreigner tourists are also here and let's get inside it.
Wait me.
So after crossing so many gates, this is the major top of Humayun. So many school children are also here and I believe that they are not from India. They will look like might be they are from Philippines, Japan or something like that. It's in front of this beautiful Indian monument and it's also surrounded by lush green area. It's little crowded today here. So many people and you can also hear the sound of birds. This is a perfect place for weekends, for if you want to hang out with your friends, family or your girlfriend. So you can come here guys. It's amazing and I'm just trying to capture this beauty. It was made between like somewhere 15th to 16th century, but still looking like we can also enter in this beautiful top and as you can see it's little crowded here and in the entrance point there is a beautiful fountain. Alright, so many people. So yes, Abhishek, कैसा लग रहा है? It's beautiful, isn't it? So come on, let's go inside. Viewers, Ankit this side and today we are here in Humayun Top and this place is in New Delhi and the best time to visit this place is between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. you know, as the sun goes down. These Indian architectures look more mesmerizing and you can see that this building is made up of red stone and white marbles. And Mr. Abhishek, please try to show the people the lush green areas behind this beauty. And here's the beautiful view. And I believe that its place is very decent or very beautiful for the sunset. So many Indians, so many foreigners are also here. Just to see this scenic beauty of Mughal emperors. Nothing can beat. So guys, we are here and you can see the royalty of Indian Mughal emperors. They used to live in such buildings with a view of these gardens. You know, this level of greenery. It's a very beautiful place, and do visit. Stay connected with our roots. These buildings are not only the monuments, but they hold a strong history of India. And we should always be very proud about our culture, our country, and our history also, guys. So whenever you get chance to come here, whenever you get free from your work, or you just want to hang out in evening, to visit these places. All right. So I'm just closing my vlog. I wish you enjoy this video, and it's amazing. Take care, guys.